Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I'm making a super cute crocheted wire heart that can be made into pendants or earrings. I'm using a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook and 28 gauge red artistic wire. My tools are the Beadalon Slimline chain nose pliers and round nose pliers, their Glimmer Series nipper tool, their nylon jaw pliers, and the Beadalon bail making pliers. We are going to start with making what they call a magic ring. So this is the starting point for our piece, and we're going to bring the hook through and pull the wire through. I'm working off the roll. This is 28 gauge red artistic wire. So we've just made a ring, and we're going to tighten up the tension a little bit, but not too much. We want to be able to crochet through that loop. Now we are going to pull the wire through, and if it comes off the hook, just put it back, and we're going to wind the wire around the hook and bring it through to make a chain. So we've just got to do that, and then we're going to wind the wire around again and through, and then around, and we are going to pull it through. So just take your time with it. So we've got a crochet there, and do another little chain. Okay, that's our starting point, and then wind the wire around the hook, around, and pull it through. Bring it up, and then wind the wire around and bring it through 2 of those stitches. Wind the wire around and bring it through those 2 stitches. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to bring the wire through and wind the wire, bring it out, and then just loosen it a little bit. Try to keep the tension not too tight, and then wind it again and bring it through the 2 stitches again. So again, wind the wire, put it through the ring, pull it through, loosen it a little bit, wind the wire, bring it through 2 stitches, and wind the wire and bring it through 2 stitches. We're going to continue around like that until we've completely gone around, and we can tighten up the ring a little bit once you get there. So now we're going to just finish it off. So we're going to go into the loop again and bring the wire through and pull. So now we've secured that end so it won't fray, and now we could pull the other wire to tighten up that ring in the middle, and then we just need to wind it through a couple of times so it won't come undone. You can wind it through any which way you like, as long as you go through a couple of times to secure it in place, and then we are going to clip the end. Doesn't look like a heart yet, but you are going to see it will become a heart. So now we're just going to tighten it up. Just pull on it to get rid of any slack in the circle there. And then again, we're going to have to finish off that end. Just take the end and bring it through. Want to finish it off, so we're just going to bring it through and pull it. Give it a little bit of a tug and go through again. Now we're going to clip the end with our flush cutters. And you can see how we want the shape to look for the heart. That just takes a little bit of adjusting to get that heart shape. You can squeeze and pull and spread and make it more rounded. And then at the bottom, the center bottom, you want to pull it down a little bit to make that little pointy end at the bottom of the heart. Just grab your round pliers and put them in at the bottom to pull the chain down to make a little pointy angle there. and you can still push the wires in a little bit at the side to straighten them out. This is like sculpting with wire. There's a lot of fun open-ended projects that you can do using the same method. Now I'm going to go in with my nylon jaw pliers just to flatten it out a little bit, make it look a little bit more finished. So just go around the heart, give it a little press, squeeze it in the middle too. Do any last minute adjustments with your fingers, pushing in the sides, and there you have your finished heart, which could become a pendant or earrings. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Check out the description below to get my new crocheted wire jewelry ebook, where you'll find this project and many more crocheted wire projects for jewelry, art, and mixed media cards. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. So thanks so much for watching the video, and we'll see you the next time.